Hello beauties, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Beauty Budgetz here, and today I'm just gonna go ahead and set up my calendar view in my new budget planner. I have been procrastinating. Yes, I know it is January 18th already, half the month gone, but I just want to go ahead and do a quick little video. So I'm gonna fast forward all of it because otherwise this video is gonna be like an hour long. But on here I am using ATArtDigital, designed by Tanya Cart. She is on Etsy, and I think this set here for the month of January is like $1.80. Like, it's a really cheap sticker set. So go and get into this digital budgeting, because y'all be doing that paper budgeting, and that stuff can get expensive. But you can find some really good cheap digital stickers anywhere. And even free depending on where you go. So here I'm just going in and putting in my dates. You guys seen me do this on my how-to video for this planner. And then I'm just really picking through these stickers. Now, I didn't download this sticker set right, so they aren't pre-cropped, but normally these would be pre-cropped and you wouldn't have to crop around or see white. But because I am using a white background, it doesn't matter. The white on the sticker does not show. So these little computers are just going to indicate days that I am going to be posting on YouTube. And then I was trying to remember what days I posted last week and the week before just to fill up the calendar, but I couldn't remember all of them, so I just did 2 of them. And then I'm just going to go ahead and add in some fillers. I think that's what I'm going to do here, is add some fillers. I'm just looking at the sticker to see what can I take from it. Decided to take these cute little socks, little cozy looking socks. And that's pretty much all that I'm going to be doing for the rest of the video. I am going to add in my bills, like when my bills are due. I'm going to add in some birthdays. I'm going to add in some, I'm going to change the side column where I have all my categories. I'm going to add some color to that. So, and these gray corners are just representing each payday that I have this month. And then what paycheck is supposed to come on this month. So I do have quite a few, so I'm so excited. I always wanted to be one of those YouTubers who had like a couple different paydays, so I'm excited about that. So yeah, that's what I'm putting in here. And then I think next I'll just be doing birthdays and stuff. So if you do want this planner, it is still on sale at beautybudgetz.com. You can purchase the digital planner. The stickers do not come with it, but I do have a set of stickers that I am selling with it. They're not as pretty as this one. However, they are still good enough to get you through a little bit of this, as well as all of these inserts like this page here. They will be available with this planner as well, so you can purchase it at beautybudgetz.com. Okay, so I'm just filling in this vision board for the month. I want to drink more water. I want to go to bed at least 12 a.m. at the latest. I want to fast 1 day a week. I want to put $5,000 into my sinking funds, and I think I had one more on here. And then these are some of the goals. So most of my goals are for followers. So I want 10,000 subscribers on YouTube, 5,000 subscribers on Instagram, and then 80,000 followers on TikTok. So hopefully I can meet those goals before the end of this year. And then I just trying to put in a couple things that I need to do, or it says things to try, but I was just putting in some things that I need to make sure I get done this month. So yeah, this is my vision board. And then I'm just adding a little sticker just to decorate this next page because I have nothing to put there. So alrighty, so now let's get into adding just some more stuff on this planner because it looks pretty bare. And then I decided to use this little knit looking thing to put in birthdays. So I did do a little bit more editing off camera for my calendar, so I will show the end results at the end of the video. It was just a little more extra stickers that I added as well. I went back to ATArtDigital's Etsy shop, so it's all one word, ATArtDigital, and I purchased some more stickers for $1.80. It was some reminder stickers, and I thought they were so cute, so I will be putting those in. if you like to watch the end of the video, or if you do watch the end of the video, enjoy. I hope you enjoy this. If you do not, I am done talking for the rest of the video. I love you guys as always for watching. Go ahead and purchase this planner if you haven't already. Make sure you do your little job, y'all. Like, comment, and subscribe, please, 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 and thank you. I really do appreciate all of you guys' support, and I do this for y'all. I really do, because one, for you guys and for me, actually. You guys help me, and I seem to be helping you. You guys been telling me I've been helping you, so I'm so excited about that. But until next time, catch you guys tomorrow. Will be my budget video for my YouTube check, I think I have a Shopify check, and then I have my regular check. So I'm so excited about tomorrow. I can't wait to see what I have to budget, or what I have to work with and budget for my next paycheck, or my next pay period. So I love you guys as always for watching, and I love you for your support. Until next time, peace, bye, and enjoy the rest of the video if you do continue watching.